Today I'm going to fix this electric kettle. A colleague gave it to me, fix it for him. He said it stops working yesterday. Now I'm going to check that is every connection okay or not. At first I will check the power cable, the base of this thing. Is this power cable okay or not? I will check it with my multimeter. Connected. Another. This one is not connected properly. So our primary inspection says that the base of this thing is 40 because this connection found nothing. This one connected. And one another thing, let's see is it is connected or not. No. Switch on. Ohms mode. In switch on mode it shows 0.681 mega ohms, and when I switch off then it's 2.5 mega ohms. I don't know if or not. Switch on. I think our kettle is okay, but the main issue is in this thing. So let's open this thing and see what we can do. So we have to open this thing, and one another thing I can see, I don't know, can you see this through the camera? This pin is in its exact position, but this pin is not in its position. Let's try to open this thing. The screw are rusty. So this is the thing. Yes, this pin is bent down, and the plastic is melted, and also the cable turns hard and it breaks easily. What we can do, at first I have to push this pin down to its original place. As per I can do this. Then we will try to fix our cable connection. Our cable is too bad and we cannot use this cable again, because you see, cut this cable several times and still the cable is hard and it breaks easily. So we have to change this cable now. So now I take this cable, and this cable is good, and you can see the copper is shining and everything is soft and new. So now I'm going to connect these clips to the new wire. Our 3 connector is clean and ready to use again, but it is not recommended that reuse this type of connector. But because I have no new connectors, so I am using this again. Let's try to use them again. I think this connection is okay. Then this one. This connection is also done, and the last one. All of the connector is connected, and now we will check the continuity. This one too. This one connected. This one too. This one maybe yes connected. This one too. Of course this one. All of them are connected. Now it's time to connect them in here. Green one is we have to do one another thing. We have to use some heat shrink in here. 1, 2 and 3. We need 3 pieces of heat shrink tube. Put them like this and give them some heat. I don't have heat gun, so I use lighter. I think they are ready to go. Cut the excess tube, then connect them. All of them are connected, and I think now it will work fine. Check it again with our multimeter. All of them are connected, and we're going to assemble it now. And screw it. Second screw and the last one. Now I will plug it in the power source. So here is our kettle, and now we're going to see its temperature. It's 85.4 degrees, and now I'm going to put it in here. Turn on the switch. And see, can you see the smoke? And the temperature is 203 degree Fahrenheit in a second. So we can say that we fixed this thing and it's a success. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I think you noticed that these days we work with several types of gadgets, household items, even hospital equipments too. Please stay with us, support our channel. I will share my experience with you. Your support, comment, like, and share every engagement will help me to continue my work. I love electronics. I like to fix them. Your small support can be the biggest help for me. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button and share my videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.